Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can find your Trello API key. So let's get right into it. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to go to your PowerUps admin board by just going to the URL trello.com/powerups, power-ups/admin, and then you'll arrive at this board right here. You can easily find the URL somewhere on the internet if you can't write it down correctly, but pretty much you're gonna arrive here. And as you can see, I've already made a power up, which is just an empty power up that I've made simply just to unlock my API key. But you're just gonna click on new and enter the information here to create a new power up. Once you've created it, you need to go into the power up menu, and as you can see, you have all these fields here, and to the left under basic information you have API key, which you want to click on, and then you can generate the API key. Click generate API key again, and as you can see, this is your API key right over here. You also have a secret API key as well if you want to keep it a secret. I'm pretty sure, I'm not really 100% sure what this is, but that is my best guess. And you have the allowed origins here, which you can very easily add, but pretty much this is your API key, which you can just click here to copy to the clipboard, and you can enter it wherever you want to, well, make an integration. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.